The Drugs Controller General of India, VG Somani, has approved itolizumab, a drug used for treatment of a skin disease known as psoriasis, for restricted emergency use in treating COVID-19 patients with moderate to severe acute respiratory problems. As per reports, the approval for using the monoclonal antibody injection itolizumab was given after its clinical trials on COVID-19 patients were found to show some positive results. A committee comprising of various medical experts from All India Institute of Medical Sciences were of the view that itolizumab was found to be satisfactory for treatment of cytokine release syndrome in COVID-19 patients. Taking into consideration the various unmet medical needs in the treatment of COVID-19, Somani approved itolizumab for restricted emergency use for the treatment of cytokine release syndrome in moderate to severe acute respiratory distress syndrome patients due to COVID-19. The approval of the drug as a form of restricted emergency treatment for COVID-19 patients comes at a time when the number of coronavirus cases in the country is increasing at an alarming rate. India's COVID-19 tally has crossed the 8 lakh mark, with 27,114 fresh cases recorded in the past 24 hours. India's total coronavirus cases has now reached 8,20,916. The total number of COVID-19 deaths in the country stands at 22,123. At least 6 NSCN IM cadres were killed in an encounter with security forces near Ginu under Longding district in Arunachal Pradesh this morning. According to PRO Defence Lieutenant Colonel Sumit K. Sharma, the joint operation was carried out by a team of Indian Army, Assam Rifles and Arunachal Police. In the operation, one Assam Rifle troop was also injured. The team recovered 6 rifles and ammunition, improvised explosive devices and other equipments, PRO stated. Identification of cadres and their allegiance to NSCN IM faction operating in Myanmar is being ascertained, the PRO said. Assam is going to have the first ever bamboo industrial park in the northeast. This industrial park will be set up in Mandir Disa in Assam's Dima Hasao district. Earlier in a tweet, Union Donor Minister Jitendra Singh announced that this project will be built on an area of 75 hectares at a total cost of Rs 50 crores. The project is set to be completed by March 2021. Further, the central government also plans to set up another project for bamboo park in Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, which would be taken up by the North-Eastern Council. Advisor for Fire and Emergency Services, SIRD, Relief and Rehabilitation, Powang Konyak visited the quarantine center at Pomching SDO headquarters in Mon yesterday, which falls under his constituency. The advisor, in his brief address to the quarantine inmates, encouraged them to stay strong, adhere to all government guidelines, and spoke on the effort of the state government, the frontline workers, and the civil societies to ensure their safety till they complete the quarantine period. He thanked the frontline workers, organizations, and individuals for their services and contributions towards fighting the coronavirus pandemic. The advisor was accompanied by Deputy Commissioner of Mon, Superintendent of Police of Mon, Chief Medical Officer, Project Director DRDA, and Convener of District Empowered Committee. With increasing number of COVID-19 positive cases all across the nation, the COVID-19 status of the northeastern states are: Arunachal's tally stands at 335 positive, 213 active, 120 recovered and 2 deaths. Assam's tally has gone up to 15,537 positive, 5,649 active, 9,849 recovered and 36 deaths. Meghalaya's tally stands at 262 positive, 215 active, 45 recovered and 2 deaths. Manipur's tally rose to 1,582 positive, 750 active, 832 recovered. Mizoram's tally stands at 226 positive, 83 active, 143 recovered. Nagaland's tally rose to 748 positive, 435 active, 303 recovered. Tripura's tally rose to 1,931 positive, 545 active, 1,372 recovered with 1 death. Sikkim's tally stands at 134 positive, 41 active and 80 recovered. Total number of COVID-19 cases in the northeast stands at 20,755 positive cases, 7,931 active cases, 12,754 who have recovered, and 41 who have died as of July 11, 2020. From all of us here at NE8, stay strong and stay safe.